today I have a Milanesa recipe. Milanesa refers to a thin cut of meat that is breaded and pan-fried and then served with fried potatoes, a salad, and sometimes rice and beans. It is considered a main dish in many states of Mexico and other Latin American countries, where it is a favorite with children and adults alike. They call it Milanesa de Res, or in short, breaded beef. I seasoned the thinly sliced Milanesa beef with garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. And it's going to be ready to be coated with breadcrumbs and flour and ready to be fried. Heat the beef. I need a tripod, it's hard to hold this one hand with the other hand holding the camera also. So that you dip it in the egg. Dito pa isang kamay ang gamit. And then coat it with the breadcrumbs. Then this is ready to be pan-fried. From here, the flour, beaten eggs, breadcrumbs, this is what I use, and then here, and then it's going to be ready to be fried. Don't need too much because the meat is clean anyway. Manipis lang. So it's ready. Pan is hot. Okay. Let's get this. Okay. Like, oh my god, I'm scared. Alright, the other side. So let's pick another one.